Hey everyone, welcome back to my cozy kitchen. Today we're doing things a little differently. We're ditching the guilt and diving headfirst into a world of delicious, healthy cookies. That's right, you heard me correctly. We're about to whip up 5 amazing cookie recipes that are not only good for your taste buds, but also good for your body. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below for more. First up, we're tackling a classic oatmeal raisin cookies. These cookies have been a favorite for generations, but today, we're giving them a modern twist that makes them not only delicious, but also healthier. Now, I know what you're thinking. Healthy oatmeal raisin cookies? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But stick with me, because we're about to transform this classic treat into something that's both nutritious and incredibly tasty. But trust me on this one, guys. We're swapping out the refined sugar for some natural sweetness from ripe bananas and a touch of maple syrup. These natural sweeteners not only add a rich flavor, but also bring in some extra nutrients. Don't worry, it's just the right amount to satisfy your sweet tooth without the sugar crash later. The bananas provide potassium and fiber, while the maple syrup adds antioxidants and minerals. Plus, we're loading these cookies up with whole grain oats, which are packed with fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Oats are also great for your heart health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. A sprinkle of cinnamon adds a warm, comforting flavor, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve digestion. And of course, no oatmeal raisin cookie would be complete without plump, juicy raisins. Raisins add a burst of natural sweetness and are a good source of iron and antioxidants. These cookies are perfect for a midday snack or a sweet treat after dinner. Pair them with a cup of tea or coffee for a delightful experience. They're so good you won't even believe they're healthy. The texture is just right, soft and chewy with a slight crisp on the edges. Give this reinvented classic a try, and you might just find your new favorite cookie recipe. Next, let's get our chocolate fix with some almond flour chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are not just any cookies. They are a delightful treat that combines the rich, indulgent taste of chocolate with the wholesome goodness of almond flour. These babies are gluten-free, so they're perfect if you have dietary restrictions. But honestly, they're so delicious that everyone will love them. Whether you're sharing them with friends at a party or enjoying them with family at home, these cookies are sure to be a hit. Instead of regular flour, we're using finely ground almond flour, which adds a subtle, nutty flavor and a wonderfully chewy texture. Almond flour is a fantastic alternative for those who are gluten intolerant or simply looking to reduce their gluten intake. We're using a combination of unsweetened applesauce and a touch of coconut oil to keep these cookies moist and chewy. The applesauce adds natural sweetness and moisture, while the coconut oil provides a subtle hint of tropical flavor. And of course, we can't forget the stars of the show, chocolate chips. These little morsels of joy melt into the dough, creating pockets of gooey, chocolatey goodness in every bite. I like to use dark chocolate chips for a richer flavor and a lower sugar content, but feel free to use your favorite kind. Whether you prefer milk chocolate, semi-sweet, or even white chocolate, the choice is yours. These cookies are seriously addictive, so be warned. Once you take a bite, it's hard to stop at just one. Perfect for any occasion, these gluten-free goodies will quickly become a favorite in your household. Chapter 3. Peanut Butter Banana Cookies, a nutritious powerhouse. Now, for a quick and nutritious snack, let's whip up some peanut butter banana cookies. These cookies are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that will keep you energized throughout the day. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a parent on the go, these cookies are the perfect solution for a healthy and satisfying treat. These cookies are perfect for those busy mornings when you need a grab-and-go breakfast or a healthy snack to power through your day. Imagine starting your day with a cookie that not only tastes amazing, but also provides you with the energy and nutrients you need to tackle your tasks. We're using ripe bananas for natural sweetness and a dose of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function. The natural sugars in bananas provide a quick energy boost without the crash that comes from refined sugars. Creamy peanut butter adds a boost of protein and healthy fats, which are crucial for muscle repair and brain function. The healthy fats in peanut butter also help keep you feeling full and satisfied, making these cookies a great option for curbing hunger between meals. And a touch of vanilla extract for that irresistible aroma. Vanilla not only enhances the flavor of the cookies, but also adds a comforting and familiar scent that makes these cookies even more enjoyable. These cookies are naturally sweetened, so they're perfect for little ones and adults alike. You can feel good about giving these cookies to your family, knowing that they are made with wholesome ingredients and no added sugars. Plus, they're packed with protein and fiber to keep you feeling full and energized. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber ensures that these cookies provide sustained energy, making them an excellent choice for a pre-workout snack or an afternoon pick-me-up. You can even sneak in some extra nutrients by adding a handful of your favorite nuts or seeds to the batter. This not only adds a delightful crunch, but also boosts the nutritional profile of the cookies, providing additional vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Chapter 4. Ginger Snap Cookies. Spice up your life. For those of you who love a bit of spice, get ready for these ginger snap cookies. These cookies are made with whole wheat flour for added fiber and a slightly nutty flavor. We're using a generous amount of ground ginger for that signature warm and spicy flavor, along with a touch of cinnamon and cloves for added depth. A bit of molasses adds a rich, caramel-like sweetness that complements the spices perfectly. These cookies are perfect for dunking in a warm cup of tea or coffee. They're also great for gifting during the holidays. Chapter 5. Coconut Macaroons. Low in sugar, high in flavor. Finally, let's end our guilt-free cookie journey with these coconut macaroons. These chewy, coconutty treats are naturally sweetened with a touch of honey or maple syrup, so they're much lower in sugar than traditional macaroons. We're using unsweetened shredded coconut for that irresistible coconut flavor and a satisfyingly chewy texture. A pinch of salt enhances the sweetness and brings out the natural flavors of the coconut. These cookies are naturally gluten-free and perfect for those following a paleo diet. They're also incredibly easy to make, so they're perfect for a last-minute dessert or a sweet treat to impress your friends. And there you have it. 5 amazing guilt-free cookie recipes that will satisfy your sweet tooth without sacrificing your health goals. Whether you're looking for a classic cookie with a healthy twist, a gluten-free option, or a quick and nutritious snack, there's a recipe here for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Preheat your ovens, grab your ingredients, and let's get baking. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and let me know which cookie recipe is your favorite.